All right, guys, today we're going to talk about a problem that I've been having for quite some time and maybe something that you guys are encountering as well. If you have one of the more modern computers, you're usually stuck with just one plug on the side of it, and that is your dual plug for your microphone or headphones. The problem is, how do you connect both? So I have headphones that I need to use. Also, I may want to connect a microphone. What's the solution? Well, guys, I think I found the perfect solution that may be able to fix all of our problems and put us in a position where we can create that amazing content or do our Zoom calls or whatever it is and listen to our audio at the same time with a great plug-in microphone. Let's get right to it. Okay, guys, the product that I found is from a company called Syncwire. This is a TRS cable splitter, and this will allow us to connect our microphone as well as our headphones to the computers like the one that you see here that only has the single plug. Let's see what comes in the box. All right, let's get it open. Now it does come with a little instruction manual. As you can see here, it has the 2 female and 1 male, and the male is a TRS connection. So let's open it up. Now this is a braided cable. It feels really nice in the hand. From what I can tell, it looks like it's very, very strong. So what we'll be able to do now is we can plug our splitter cable into our computer like so, and then we'll be able to connect our microphone or our headphones directly into our computer. So let me grab a microphone real quick. So now I can plug my microphone in, and I can also plug in my headphones. Cool. So I'm ready to rock, guys. Hopefully this has been helpful. Again, this product is from Syncwire, and the length of it, as I can see here, is a 0.75 feet or 0.23 meters. So it's a very short cable, as you can see here, but it gets the job done. So that's the most important thing. All right, guys, quick update to what I talked to you guys about in the last video, connecting the Sena to a Gopro. So I have received the splitter cable that I told you guys about. Now that's from a company here called Syncwire, and you can find it on Amazon for $7.99, I believe. And you get a little cable like this, which is your splitter. And that's going to give you a male and 2 females. And that's what you're going to need to separate between your headphones as well as your audio going into your GoPro. So this cable here would just connect in this little tab right here. So it would just plug in just like that. All right, so that's how this would plug in here. And then these 2 cables then can now be routed inside of your helmet, and you would use one for your headset and you would use one for your microphone. I don't see anywhere on these cables to designate if one is for headphones or for microphones, so I guess they're equally split. So that's a good thing as well. So that means now I can connect the cable that I showed you guys before, this cable here, and I can just plug this into either side like so, and then I can route that to the audio inside of the mic adapter for the GoPro, and then the other side I can plug my regular headphones into, and I can listen to my audio. All right, guys, so I want to do this video really quick, so it's kind of an update to what we talked about before. I may go further in detail with this in my next live when I talk about more motorcycle-related stuff. But just for those of you out there that are interested in getting started with this as soon as possible, this is exactly what you're going to need. So you're going to need this splitter, as I said before, and the one that I went with is this company called Syncwire. You can find them, like I said, again, on Amazon. And what's cool about this little cable, it is only 0.75 feet or 0.23 meters. So it's a very short cable. So that's just one less thing that you got to worry about when it comes to routing a lot of this stuff inside of your helmet. So basically what I'm going to do with this, just so you'll know, I will be kind of, once I tuck this inside, most likely I'll be routing this in reverse. What I mean by that is I'm going to run the wire long way around the helmet inside so that For instance, this cable comes out on this side over here, and then this will still be inside where I can still plug my headphones in. And then when I'm not using them, I could just either tuck them in my helmet or just connect them all together. So this is the only thing, this one cable is the only thing that will be exposed on this side of the helmet. And then the TRS cable will be the only thing exposed on the opposite side of the helmet, which will be for plugging into the GoPro. And most likely I'm going to bring that straight through the helmet here. I'll bring it straight through here. And then it'll just kind of be hanging from inside, kind of like that. So just like that. And then it will just plug right into the GoPro. So just so you guys will know. All right, guys. So like I said, I will be live tomorrow on Amazon at noon. And if I do anything else related, motorcycle gear related stuff, it will either be tomorrow or it will be this following Monday at noon. But I just wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible, especially those of you that are looking to get your helmet and gear all set up before we get into the riding season. We got a little bit of time. So, this way you can at least, look at your options and figure out exactly what's going to work for you. And then that way you have time to test it and make sure it's going to be working properly before you get out there and hit those roads. And you want to be able to, capture that amazing content. All right, guys, this has been your boy Rome. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, peace. I'm out.